Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. So today's video is going to be an unboxing and try on, and of course I will give you guys my overall thoughts about the April of the Boxycharm subscription kit. This is just their regular one, so if you guys wanted to know my thoughts and what I got, then please keep on watching. It's a little sharp. I wonder what I'm gonna get. I mean, I kind of like know what I'm gonna get, but like there's a little bit of mixed combinations in every box. It's like one item, you get this and the other ones get that, you know what I mean? And by the way, now they have included the tax, so it's not basically like around $21 anymore. So the theme for this month is peace, love, and BOXY. And here you are going to have a list of what basically you're gonna get. So I'm gonna set this aside. Ooh, okay. So first we have the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. Let's do that. Oh, there we go. Yay! I got what I want. Because the other one has like a purple iridescent. I'm not a fan of it. But this is my first time trying something from Artist Couture. And I like the fact that this has a cover so you can definitely control the product. That's actually pretty neat. There's a seal. Is there? Okay. Every second of this video is a fail. Okay guys, so after 10 years I was able to poke like 3 holes in the middle, and I want to do that on purpose because every time I'm using a highlight I don't really use a lot anyway, and a little bit surely goes a long way. That is very beautiful. Oh, you guys can see it. Sorry about that. That's so beautiful. So even though it already has like a stopper like that, I still wanted to, you know, control the product as much as I can. There's like a sticker right here to like seal it, but I just don't want to remove it anymore because it's so hard. What's the price on this one? So the price for that is $27. It has a shelf life of 36 months, which is pretty good, and you will be getting 4.5 grams of a product. That's what it looks like. You have the Steve Laurent lip gloss. Now this one is $22. And it says here, 1 part balm and 3 parts silk. This Steve Laurent gloss is never leaving your favorite purse. Formulated with a creamy lip softening texture, this is a one-of-a-kind hybrid gel and oil and will moisturize and hydrate your lips with just one swipe. This is what it looks like. Smells like a dessert. Swatch that for you. It's more of like a nude color that has, it kind of reminded me of the Orgasm blush a little bit, or like the Orgasm line, but except this one is a little more nude. It's more on the nude side. And next we have the Luxie Summer Days brush set. It comes in 3 brushes in one kit, or in one pack. This one is worth $28. That's what it looks like. So this is definitely something that I would use for a highlighter. This one is perfect for, ooh, hold on, there's like a smudge or something like that. I'll just cut it. There's like one hair strand like popping out. This is good for eyeshadow, and for eyeshadow you can use this on the sides of your nose as well. I think that would be perfect. You can also use this for contouring if you wanted to, however you're comfortable with. And then you have a liquid liner. Okay, now that the plastic is gone, this is what the tip looks like. It is a felt tip applicator, but the end of it is like super thin. It goes from thin to thick. Let's make some strokes. That is actually really jet black. That's nice. So it takes a couple of seconds if you do it like a little thicker. It takes a while. I just destroyed the box, don't cringe. Ooh, what's that? Oh, an eyeshadow primer. This is actually pretty good. It's a good way to promote their primer, you know? The value of this palette is $36, and these are all your eyeshadows. Oh wow, that is just gorgeous and beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? It's beautiful, isn't it? And you get a large mirror as well. Okay guys, so the eyeliner completely dried already, so let me go ahead and try to smudge it. It's actually pretty impressive, considering the fact that I really put pressure on it. This is what it looks like. So I'm guessing this is also not like waterproof. It doesn't say anything if it's like waterproof or not. So these are all your swatches from the eyeshadow palette. You will be getting 12 shades. I am telling you guys, there is not one dud from these eyeshadows coming from like the swatch. I only did it once. And there's no base in the back of my hand, and they grabbed onto the skin beautifully. Just gonna give you guys another moment so you can take a look at all the shadows up close and judge it for yourself. But I'm loving it. I'm just so obsessed with it, and the glitters, they're so good. Now let's go ahead and play with the products in the box, starting with this shade called Epic from the Festival palette of Pure. I'm going to grab it with my crease brush. There's no crease brush in this kit, so I just went ahead and used my Kylie one. This is actually free in one of our palettes, and I'm just going to buffer that on my crease. As you guys can see, the color is already showing, and this look doesn't really consist of like an eyeshadow primer. I forgot to use it, but anyway, I'm just gonna go ham on the second shade. This is going to create a little bit of warmth on the inner and outer corner of my eyes, and I'm slowly buffing it out. The shade is called Hidden Desert, and then after that I'm gonna get Wild Child. It is a very beautiful Barbie pink matte color. I'm actually surprised that it did cling on my lid, even though it doesn't have any wet texture on the bottom of it. And then after that I'm gonna grab the shade called Fireworks. Now I just don't understand this shade because it has a little bit of gold and pink. I just wish that they, you know, just went ahead and just do a pink glitter for this specific one, because it has we already have like 24K magic gold glitter in this palette. So why are they gonna mix another one if we can just mix them together, you know? Oh my gosh, I don't make any sense, but I hope you guys do, because Fireworks has a little bit of gold in it. That's what I'm saying, and I feel like it's so unnecessary because we already have a gold pressed glitter shadow. That's what I'm trying to say. Guys, I haven't drank coffee for a while now. That's the reason why I talk like a space alien. Now, moving on to the black eyeliner. I struggled a little bit when it comes to creating the wing because it was stugging on my skin. And since, you know, I have no room for mistakes, it's not that I don't have any room. Of course I do. I can just clean it up with a Q-tip. But I don't want it to consume my time very much. But, you know, you can work your way out, just be very gradual with it. Using the small contouring brush in 512, I'm going to use my bronzer and apply that on the sides of my face, jawline, cheekbones, all over the temples of my face. And since I gained again another 5 pounds over the weekend because we went to his hometown, I have to, you know, do a little extra work. And this brush is also perfect for contouring your nose as well. And then for under my eyes, I wanted to smoke it out a little bit as the usual. This is in the shade Good Vibes, and I'm going to be using Summer Haze for my highlight, of course. I don't know why, but I'm trying so hard for this highlighter to appear. No, it's not just the camera, because I will let you guys know if it is just the camera. But I've been building up this highlighter over and over and over and over. I mean, you see it a little bit, right? It's barely there. Maybe it's just a preference, but it's barely there. So if you want something that's a little bit more natural, then this is for you. Then moving on to the lip product. Steve Laurent in the shade Champagne. Applying that all over my lip. After that, I'm going to be applying some lashes. Now, this is not part of the box, okay? This is actually given to me by my friend. Hi, Kelly. Thank you so much for sending these to me. They're so dramatic, just like my life. And this is the final makeup look, guys.
We got this bottle of champagne to ourselves. Drink all we want, forget about everything else.
Alright guys, now that we are done playing with all of the goodies in the box, it is time for me to give you guys my overall thoughts. Let's go ahead and start with the Luxie brush set. I think these brushes are pretty decent. However, I noticed that some of the hair, like for example in these two brushes right here, there's a hair here that is so uneven. There's one sticking out right now. I'm probably just gonna cut that. So to some it doesn't really matter, but if I feel like if I tug it in, everything is just gonna fall out. So there's just a little bit of unevenness. I don't know if you guys care about that or not, but for $28, because that's what it says, the value of this one is $28. Am I going to buy this in full price? I certainly don't think so. To be completely honest, they do feel like BH Cosmetics, and for $28, if that's really going to be their price point, it's something that I would totally skip on. But I got it from a Boxycharm, so it doesn't really matter. But for those people who are thinking of buying this set, to me, in my opinion, for $28, to me that is too much for its price. Now these are cruelty-free and these are handcrafted. I think that's really nice, but $28, I just cannot really see myself grabbing this for its full price. That's that. Moving on to the next product, we have this lip gloss. Now the lip gloss, I think the color is pretty nice. It's nude, it's more of like Kim K vibe, something like that. I'm not gonna say that it's bad. I think it's pretty decent. It has that stickiness that I was looking for. I'm not gonna say that it's like super good, life-changing overall. It has a little bit of stickiness into it. That's what I'm looking for, and I feel like my lips is super hydrated right now. I love the fact that it doesn't just sit on my lips. It really does something for your lips. It's moisturizing, it's nourishing, and the color, absolutely love it. And this one, again, this is $22. So it's a part of their prestige line, but I think it's really good. And yeah, I love the fact that it moisturizes my lips. Now moving on to the liner, I think the liner for a felt tip, it's actually really good. I love how intense this is, though the only thing that I did not like about this eyeliner is that it tugs your skin a little bit. Now if you are doing like a wing, just like what I'm doing a while ago, it kept on tugging my skin for some reason that I don't know what it is, but my observation is that it doesn't really glide like super smoothly, though I love how black this is. I don't know if you guys could totally relate, but that's what I feel when I was using it to create a wing. If I felt like it was tugging my skin. Now this video is not meant to be like super negative and all of that. I'm just telling you guys what I really feel about the products. And then I'm actually surprised to myself that I did not like this next product, and I am talking about the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. Now this to me is a little bit difficult for me to say, but I've been seeing these highlighters online about Artist Couture and they're just so blinding, so beautiful, but when I tried it on today, it's not what I expected it to be. I thought that this color is actually going to match my skin perfectly because I have like a medium, I'm like NC30, NC35, but to my surprise, it leaves like a white, let me show you. It leaves like more of like a white cast on my skin. Do you know what I mean? I zoomed you guys in so you would know what I'm talking about. I felt like it just left a white canvas on my skin, and it doesn't really give me that glow that I was looking for a very natural makeup look. I'm absolutely sure you guys are going to love it. If you want a highlighter that is not so like super intense, it doesn't have like a chunk of glitter, it is microfine glitter into it, but I feel like it's okay. I mean, this is it. Now moving on to the last item in this kit, which is the Pure Festival palette. Guys, you have seen my swatches. I just didn't do it live to save your precious time, but just have a little faith in me. The back of my hand doesn't have any base if you guys are new to my channel. These shades, or these eyeshadows, they are so freaking good. I applied this glitter on my eyes today using a freaking fluffy brush. Hello. But it's there. You know what I mean? By the way, I'm just really letting that grow, okay? Because somebody in the comment section is going to blast me. But like, hello, I used that with a loose brush, like a loose fluffy brush. It's not even dense, but it held it. It's in my eye perfectly. They do amp it up when it comes to the pigmentations of their eyeshadows, even their products. You can go into the store and you will see like new stuff they have. It is really good. This one, I would even definitely buy this in full price, not even kidding. And by the way, Ulta has a 20% off coupon if you are a member. I'm not certain if everybody gets it, but go ahead and check your email. You might have that one. So that 20% off coupon applies to everything, even prestige. So just so you guys know. But this palette, girl, it is amazing. I was actually about to cancel this month, but I saw this and it's new. It's something that I would like to review myself as well, but with this one alone, with all of the rest of the gang that's in here, I'm already satisfied with this one. So I'm happy that this one is included in the kit. I must say that the March subscription box is still the best subscription box in my opinion, but having this palette in here just really blows my mind. The formula is out of this world. That is pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and if you are still not part of the Sassy family, make sure you subscribe to my channels, and if you like these types of videos, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.